Imagine one moment, you're looking up at the sky, and the next, the entire atmosphere starts unraveling. No warning, no defense. Just pure energy bombarding Earth. This is the nightmare scenario scientists fear most. A gamma-ray burst, or GRB. A gamma-ray burst is the most powerful explosion in the universe. It's caused by things like collapsing massive stars or merging neutron stars. The result? A focused beam of radiation traveling at the speed of light, carrying more energy in a few seconds than our sun will release in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. Sounds like science fiction, but it's very real. And if one were to hit Earth directly, even from thousands of light years away, the consequences could be devastating. First, the ozone layer would be obliterated in seconds. Without that protective shield, ultraviolet radiation from the sun would flood the surface. Plants would wither. Ocean ecosystems, especially plankton, would collapse. And without plankton, the entire food chain is at risk. But it doesn't stop there. A GRB could also cause mass extinctions. In fact, some scientists think a GRB may have triggered a real extinction event on Earth 450 million years ago. A beam that powerful would instantly alter the atmosphere, causing acid rain, temperature drops, and even long-term climate shifts. The scariest part? We wouldn't see it coming. Gamma-ray bursts can't be predicted. They don't give off any pre-warning light. And while they're rare, they don't have to be close to do damage. One striking within 6,000 light-years could be enough to send Earth into chaos. But here's the good news. GRBs are narrowly focused. Like a cosmic laser pointer, they blast in a straight line. Unless we're directly in that path, Earth stays safe. The odds are low, but not zero. So, could a gamma-ray burst wipe us out? Technically, yes. But the universe would have to aim perfectly. And so far, we've been lucky. Still, this kind of event reminds us how fragile life is in a universe full of unimaginable forces. What do you think? Is it just a space scare story or a real threat worth preparing for? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Lies or Legends for more epic space questions, answered with facts.